You're getting 500 orders a month, and your customer just called asking about that phone case they ordered as a birthday gift 2 months ago, and they're saying they lost their order number. Well, good luck finding it. Why? Because WooCommerce forgot to add one basic feature, a working search box on the orders page for customers. This is the reality for thousands of WooCommerce store owners. Your customers can't search their own orders, and you're stuck clicking through orders trying to help them. But I am about to show you how to fix that in under 2 minutes with zero configuration required. By the end of this video, your customers will be able to search for their orders by product name, SKU, or order number. And you'll have a quick shortcut to jump directly to any order from your admin bar. So let's fix this right now. Now, first of all, I'm in the middle of the WordPress productivity hack series, and this is one of those videos. Now in this video, I'm gonna use a plugin I made myself. I'm gonna put the link to this download page in the video description, so take a look at this download button here. But there are a bunch of other cool plugins I've made. Take a look at the download menu up here. Now the WooCommerce order search is one of the productivity boosters. But before I proceed with the video, speaking of making WordPress more productive, there's another tool that over 2 million websites are already using. Elfsight offers widgets for everything. That is social feeds, forms, reviews, more than 90 widgets for every occasion. But one in particular caught my attention, and that is their AI chatbot. Have you ever considered how much business you're losing because people leave your site with unanswered questions? Well, this is exactly where Elfsight comes in and really stands out. You can train your AI chatbot with web pages, files, questions and answers, and so on. And if someone asks a question, then look, the bot gives the answer instantly. Normally you would have to email support and wait for it, but here, boom, and done. And check this out, you can fully customize it in seconds. You can change the design, you can connect your own FAQs, upload files, add your own questions and answers, and it's all super easy. Basically, it's like having a support agent that never sleeps. It answers everything about your products, shippings or returns, and it does it 24/7. And it's not just a demo, because businesses are already using this to save hours of support time. It works on any website, supports 76 countries, and formats everything to look professional. Setting this up is super easy and super fast. Check the link below and see for yourself. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and let's describe the problem. As you see, if I go to WooCommerce and orders, I have more than 300 orders on my demo site, but in order to search through the orders, there is only one way to do it, and it's on the orders page. If I'm on any other page, dashboard or portfolio or wherever it is, there is no way for me to search the orders. Now I'm logged in as a user, and as you see, this user has 151 orders, and there is no way for these customers to figure out what did they purchase. For example, if someone purchased a phone case, then good luck finding them from any of these orders here. Now let's fix it. So download this plugin, install it. I'm gonna activate it. And after that, you'll see there is a order search box for the admin here. You can search through the order ID, SKU, product name, and so on. For example, if I search for John Wick as a customer, it opens up all the orders from this person. If I search for a product name, for example, lamp, then it opens up all the orders that contain a keyword lamp. Now let's go to the products and let's find a product, for example, ski tour. Let's search for ski, and you'll see only 2 orders contain this product. And after the installation, when users log in, they can see the order search box here. Let's search for something, for example, let's search for a lamp, and you'll see it says found 107 orders. If we open up a random one, you'll see there is a lamp inside this order. Let's go back and let's search for something else. For example, let's search for ski. And currently says found one order. Let's take a look. There it is. As you see, the search is lightning fast. Let's search for hardtech. And done. It took less than a second. Currently I'm testing this on a page with 300 orders, but I have tested also in a shop with more than 5,000 orders, and it works the same. Wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here, and take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.